Aman, like Tamal just pointed out, reports are now suggesting that the situation is beginning to go out of hand. Let me go across to Tanushree as well. Tanushree, you've been tracking the BJP rally since early this morning and how slowly workers started gathering into groups. Now, several detentions have taken place, but unfortunately, several videos coming to light that show how some of the BJP workers have also sustained injuries. In fact, we'll put out those visuals in just a bit of how the ex-deputy mayor Meena Devi Purohit has also been badly injured. Tanushree.
What we are seeing right now is we are over here in front of the headquarters of Corporation of Calcutta in Mudiali, which is close to the BJP headquarters. But we have seen that several Karyakartas have been injured. One Karyakarta we have is Pamela Goswami. Today a lot of Karyakartas have been injured. Meena Devi Purohit has been injured. But BJP accordingly has also set a vehicle on fire. क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, गणतंत्र का हत्या हो गया है पश्चिम बंगाल में. वी आर स्टेइंग इन अ लिबरल डेमोक्रेटिक स्टेट. वी कैन सी today it was a peaceful rally. It was a rally which was against the मतलब जो SSC ST SC नियोग में दुर्नीति हुआ था उससे अगेंस्ट में हुआ है. तो इधर हम लोग का कर्मी समर्थक को वो लोग रोका है. वो लोग उन लोगों के ऊपर हम लोगों के ऊपर लाठीचार्ज किया है. हम लोगों का बहुत सारा कार्यकर्ता नेतृत्व में वो लोग the police have attacked in mob. We have seen that the state has become like एक मतलब बेकार का एक पूरी बन गया है ये. तो ये सब के against में we have seen that how many leaders of TMC has been found with so crores piles of money. We have seen that in Partho Chatterjee's friends Arpita Mukherjee's house. We have seen it was pile of money. 18 CR rupees has been recovered from there and 21 CR has been recovered from another house. And Anubrata Mandal, we have seen the coal and the cow smuggler. Even we have seen a lot of durniti they have done.
So we are seeing the Karyakarta saying a lot of durniti against which they have to fight, and that is why they had hit the roads today. But they were attacked by the Mamata Banerjee police. There was tear gas, there was water cannons everywhere, and also if you see, several BJP Karyakartas have been injured. Shukanta Mazumdar has been detained, Shubhendu Adhikari, Lokesh Chatterjee, everybody has been detained. Now one thing that these Karyakartas are saying is that they will be continuing to hit the streets until the Mamata government is removed from West Bengal, because the government is tainted with tainted ministers.
We will uproot this government in no time. वेरी सुन. वो लोग रिगिंग किया है. वो लोग पोल बूथ जो होता है वो लोग कैप्चर करके रिगिंग करके वोट किया है. अगर आज भी साधारण जनता को वोट देने का अनुमति मिलेगा तो बीजेपी ही जीतेगा. पश्चिम बंगाल में बहुमत के साथ बीजेपी सरकार भी बनाता. अगर
So just we are also going to go in and show police is moving towards the BJP headquarters. This is one visual right now from MG Road. The police is now moving into the BJP headquarters. We have also shown visuals previously that police was moving into the BJP headquarters. Right now we are going to be showing live visuals. The police is coming, the RAF is moving in, and they're close to the BJP headquarters. Now what is going to happen over there? Whether they are going to be detaining workers over there, we are going to be right on the ground zero, and show you the action from ground zero in the center of Kolkata, the heart of Kolkata. College Street is the heart, and this is where the BJP headquarters is for the state. And right now the police is moving in over there. Back to studio.
All right, Tanushree, they're keeping a close tab on what's happening in the College Street premises, the heart of Kolkata, where the BJP headquarters is also placed. The cops there headed towards the BJP headquarters. On the other side, viewers, you can see what really has transpired thereafter. As a result of these protests, several BJP workers have sustained injuries. We just put out those visuals of the ex-deputy mayor Meena Devi Purohit, who also has sustained injuries. seriously the situation now going out of hand with regards to the law and order in West Bengal. So the BJP workers there stand detained, some of them who were supposed to lead these rallies. Now remember, essentially three rallies were being carried out, and the aim was to head towards Nobona, the state secretariat, and this is what's happening as of now. The police though was forced to resort to tear gas and lathi charge, but the BJP workers in the meanwhile have sustained injuries. Those visuals on your screens for you to see what the current situation in West Bengal is looking like. Let me go back to Tamal on that. Tamal, these are visuals coming to light of how multiple BJP workers have sustained injuries. Meena Devi Purohit has also sustained injuries. Does the BJP, given the current situation, given how some of the top BJP netas in West Bengal stand detained at the moment, does the BJP plan to do a rethink on this, or are they